Welcome back to our channel, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of automotive design, where classic meets modern in the most exquisite way possible. Buckle up, because we're about to explore Callum Designs Jaguar E-Type Restomod concept, a revolutionary take on one of the most iconic vehicles in automotive history. Design evolution. Callum's vision refines the E-Type's iconic silhouette, while introducing subtle yet impactful modifications. The stance is lowered, the wheel arch is widened, and the three-spoke alloys now feature aero discs for a more aggressive presence. The exposed grille remains, preserving the unmistakable character of the original. Performance and engineering. While technical details remain speculative, Callum hints at a manual transmission, ensuring an authentic driving experience. The debate continues: should it house a straight 6 or a V12? Either way, this Restomod promises exhilarating performance while staying true to the E-Type's heritage. Interior. The interior is largely unchanged, with a few modern bits and bobs added for good measure. The 4 gauges in the center of the dash, for example, have been transformed into tiny screens displaying things like Apple CarPlay, connectivity, and navigation. The steering wheel, leather treatment, and driver displays in this rendering look like they could have come from the factory. But Callum says customers can customize their cabins as they please. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the Callum Designs Jaguar E-Type Restomod concept? Is it a masterful homage to an icon, or a bold step that risks losing its classic appeal? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more engaging content from the world of automotive design. Until next time, stay classy and keep dreaming of those iconic rides.